Hi, my name is Emin Kasi and this is CS50 programming with JS and Python. So this is already project number 2, and for the first specification we need to show our models. You can see my models are right here. So in the project, in the auction app, we have already user, we added a category, a listing, and a bid and a comment table. So categories for holding listing categories, listing for keeping track of all the listings that we have in our app. We have ID, like reference, one-to-many relationship with categories, users, description, image, state, and a title. For the bid, we have an ID, a listing, user, and user is a back reference to user, and we have price. For the comments, we have the ID, the listing foreign key ID, and the user foreign key, and of course a text. Next, we have create listing, but to do that we need to log in. So this tag appears for creating listings. Let's add some information, just random information. We have the title right here. After that we need the description right here. We need to select category, select software. We need to put the starting bits. Let's put like 89, and we need to choose products image. Choose this one. Okay. We do create listing added successfully, and a bid for the listing was added successfully. Great. For the third specification, we need to check our active listing page. This is our active listing page. As we can see here, we can see all of our listings by image, by description, all of that. And we have URL that goes to a listing page. From here, we can see the listing page for this product. Okay, since it's not us who put this listing, we can see a price, product description, and we can place a bid. If we put a bid that is under the current price, server will say, and we can add a wish. So of course we can add the product to our wish list. This is our wish list. Okay, and then we can view details like here and just place another bid. As we can see, the current bid was updated to the new value, and that's great. Okay, so if we go to a listing that we were the one who created, like from my own listings, we can see here details. We can close this auction by clicking on here. As we can see here, auction closed successfully, and the state changes to not available. Okay, so let's try to close the auction for this listing and see what happens. Okay, so we need to log in. Okay, details. We close this, and we can see here this listing is not available anymore. If you can see details, this listing is not available. Sorry, forgot the not here. Okay, now we log out. log in. The user that's made last, as we can see here, congrats, you won the auction, because he was the one who bids the last time. So of course the user can add like a comment here, like I don't know, I like this product, for example, and submit. Comment was submitted successfully. You can see here, I like this product. Nice. Now what do we have? Now we need to go to the watch list. It holds all of the products that we liked before. Keep track of them. We can remove them. Now we can pass to categories. For the categories page, click here, we see all of our categories. We have laptops, printer and scanner, and the software. And as we can see here, like there is like accounts for all the listings under this category. If we click, we see active listings for printers and scanners. It means just for this category, as we can see here, which is nice. And of course, if we click, we get back to this listing detail of this product. You can place bids, few comments, add to wish list. All good. Now we have is the last specification, which is admin interface. And since we are not admin on that accounts, we need the super user accounts. Sets. As we can see, all of our tables are just right here. We can access the comments, add the comments if we need to from any user, because we're the admins. For any listings, we can change categories, add new one, or delete selected categories. Thank you for watching.